Hello and welcome back dear subscriber. Today in this video I am going to solve Purvanchal University final exam question in 2018. Write a program to ask user to enter any number and calculate the sum of individual number containing in the number and display the result. Hint is also given 3, 4, 5 equal to 3 plus 4 plus 5 equal to 2. So it is like the program will take some input from user and then after it will calculate the sum of digit in the number and display that number, like 111. So 1 plus 1 is 2, like it will give 23. So 2 plus 3 is 5, like that you have to do. I hope you understand it. For this we have to do the number, we have to separate all the digit of the number one by one and do the sum and print the result. That is very simple program. Let me write the code and complete the program by explaining each and every line. And guys, if you have any doubt in this program or any other program related to C, then please post your question in comment section. I will be always there to help you out. Okay guys, so if you like my content, then please do subscribe my channel after watching the complete video. Now let's get started with the code. So this is basic structure of C, what we used to write. There is different way to write void main, but we are going through int main, return 0 in all format. So what we have to do, we have to read one number. So int n, we are reading one number from user, and then after we have to do summation, we have to sum, right? We have to do summation of the digit. So yes, initially summation is 0, right? And let me make it more user friendly. So it will print on console. What it will print? Enter any integer number. So we are telling the user to enter any integer number. Okay. So we are telling, but how to take input? Using scanf. You are smart enough to know this. Yes, you are right. Yes, we can mention percentile t, comma percentile I also we can do, right? As I used to mention, percentile I and D specifier you can use for integer, right? So number is done. Now what we are going to do? We are going to perform the operation. So how we can do perform the operation? We will use while loop. While what? N is greater than how much? Greater than 0. What you will do? What we will do if n is greater than 0? So how to separate? How to separate the digit? Integer is base is 10, right? So we can separate the digit using what? Using mod operation. So to store the digit, we will also initialize one variable, namely d, means digit. So d equal to how much? How much? N mod 10. So if you give n mod 10, the integer number digit will be separated. How? What is digit in integer? The digit in integer is from 0 to 9. So if you do mod of 10, so it will separate the last digit, right? Okay, like let me explain you, like 3, 4, 5. If you do mod operation of 10, what will be the output? The output will be 5. And if we divide that number, okay, that 5, okay, and if you divide that number 3, 4, 5 by 10, then what will be the output? What will be output? It will be 34, right? So it will be 34.5, but we are storing to integer, so automatically it will lose. What it will lose? It will lose the decimal point and 34 will be there. And again we will do 34 mod how much? 10. So again your digit, how which digit will be separated? Last 4 will come, right? And what next will be happen? 34 divided by 10. So what will be the output? 3.4. But as we are storing to integer, it will lose the decimal value, right? And now how much is 3 mod 10, right? So what is the output? 3. So what are the digit we got? We got 5, 4 and 3. And what is the sum of all this? That is 12. So I hope you got it what we are going to do here. Okay, so this is done, and now we are going to add s equal to s plus what the existing value of s earlier value plus the digit, right? And how you can go for n equal to n by 10, the operation we are doing. So at end what you will get? We will get what? We will get the sum of all digit. So now our sum of all digit is stored in here, so we'll print the sum of, pick from question, it will be better, the sum of individual number okay, let me copy it so it will look nice. That's what I am doing here. The sum of individual number containing in the in that number is percentile d. I will mention the specifier, it will look much more better. And here I am making n is smaller each time, so I have to also store n. If I want to print here, then I have to store somewhere that n. So after reading what I can do, t equal to n I will do, so that value will be remain on t. Okay, t comma how much? Yes, it is done guys. It is very simple. Let me run it and show you. Okay, so you can see it is asking enter an integer number, so 3 4 5. Now we can see the sum of integer number containing in 3 4 5 is 12, right? 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 5 is 12. Let me give other number. Okay, like 5781. So 57 is 12, 12 plus 8 is 20, 20 plus 1 is 21. So this is all about this program, and I hope you got it very clearly. Okay, and if you have any doubt related to this, then please don't hesitate to ask your questions in the comment section. I will be always there to help you out. And if you really like my content, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video with other learners. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please also check it out other video in the playlist so you can understand much more better way. And I will provide this tutorial code on the Deep Code Guru website, and soon I will mention all those link in the video description, as well as I will also mention this online compiler link in video description so you can try your own. Once again, thanks a lot for liking the video, sharing the video and posting your valuable comment. Please stay at home, stay safe, stay tuned with our channel. Happy learning.